in this district try to discuss their lessons to all kind of students, because we have different kind of students. Some are Chakma, some are Marma, Tripura, different kind of students. So if we are Bengali type teacher, or we are Bengali or Bangla talking person, that time we have to talk every time Bengali to the student of different communities, and they take this language easily, so that every type of person here stay here, and they try to talk always Bengali. And in sometime we always try to talk with them in English, by using English and your language, that is Hindi. And our students know Hindi easily, because all time they watch the movies of India. They like to like the movies of India. They like the serial of India, Star Plus. So they know. And my boy, I have a child. I have two child, one daughter and one son. My son, he is now only 6 years old, but he know the Hindi language, your language, because all time he watch the cartoon of your countries. So I hope in my district, everyone like to our child. If I want to talk about our students, they all are want to learn more and more from from different countries. Sometime we have discussed about India, sometimes we have discussed about Malaysia, different kind of district. So in Khagrachari, different traditional students also like to discuss about yours. So my district is very beautiful, and I am invited you to come to Bangladesh and visit Khagrachari. You may hear about Shajek, and please come to visit Shajek and come to visit in Khagrachari. That's all from for today's about Khagrachari. And now, on behalf of Muhammad Shahjaman sir, I want to discuss about Kumilla. Kumilla is a big city in our country. It's a very big and a beautiful city in Bangladesh. And this is maybe after some year it will be a division in our country. So in this district, there are many upazilas and many schools here, primary, high, etc., etc. And Mr. Shahjaman sir is also a very good teacher, we know. And I hope in this session, we all are we all are trying to discuss ourselves easily. So I am not uh, ready for today's session, but now I think I am always ready for this session. Thank you. I will talk again with you. Thank you, everyone.
Kundar
Thank
Vishal,
you, Rupa.
Thank you so much,
Rupa is Bangladesh icon teacher for pandemic situation online class. She is many class delivery on online for his student. She study and teaching Bangladesh hill text. Hill text is one kind of Bangladesh most beautiful district in Bangladesh, Khagrachuri. Here is many hills and rivers also here, uh, and Kumila is also beautiful, but Khagrachari is most beautiful. So please, after pandemic situation, you come Bangladesh and enjoy the Bangladesh beauty. Thank you.
sure. We will
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
definitely we will come there.
Actually, Kunda, हम कभी मिले नहीं, but he know me. For this
Yeah.
pandemic time, and for
This is true. This is true.
digitalization for online.
Yes. This pandemic gave us this opportunity, I think, because it makes world so small for us, and because of this online platform, we can talk and meet each other, though we are we are from different countries. So thank you to COVID pandemic for this. Very nice. And we will definitely come to your Bangladesh and hello.
Yes.
Yeah, we will definitely come in future in Bangladesh. And I'm inviting you both also come and join us in India and give us the chance to for our friendship. Thank you so much. Uh,
Vishali.
Vaish-
Vishali. Vishali, tell.
Vaishali.
Vaishali.
अच्छा
Vaishali.
ओके
Vaishali.
ओके
Okay, Vaishali ma'am is going to present a PPT with our school. But before it, I want to say something about our country. Hello. Yeah. You all know that our country name is India. It is a big country, and it is very famous for its climate. It has a very pleasant climate, and there are so many places in our India, Kerala, Kashmir, beautiful places where tourists are visiting regularly. From foreign countries also they are coming and visiting. It has a beautiful nature. Our India has 29 states, and in that 29 state, Maharashtra is our state where we are living here. Maharashtra is our state, and in Maharashtra there are 31 districts. In that, Nasik is a district where we are living, and Nasik is our living place. And in Nasik, there are so many schools from government school and private school. And our Nasik Corporation School, where I and my colleague Vaishali is teachers. This is a government school, Nasik Corporation School number 18, Anandvali. And now she is going to tell and showing her PPT with related of our school. Vaishali, please present your PPT.
Thank you, Kunda. Thank you.
Okay. I'm going to make you host. Okay. Yes, Vaishali, you're host now.
Yes, yes.
You can present your PPT.
Do you see?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make it full screen, Vaishali.
Oh, sorry. आता दिसतंय कुंदा?
Yes. Continue.
Okay. Our first session is for yourself and our school life. We are talking about all these topics now. And I also want to told you about this. I have teaching experience 20 years in this profession, but I am working NMC school, means this school 6 years, since 6 years. We have almost 800 we have already 800 students in my school, and they are divided into first to 8th class. See, this is my school. This is very big premises in my school, and this is also 3 floors in my school. And then see, this is also another part of my school in same premises. And there is a small garden for small students. Our school campus is quite large, you see it, and the garden. We have also library, but now I cannot show you the library. In my school, there have a See, this is my school's premises. It's a very large premises. We have installed, and also कोणता बाकीचं मी सांगू का?
बोल ना तुला बोल ना का
बोलू
सांगू
ना?
बोल ना
हा.
बोल
सांगते.
Hmm.
We have installed e-learning project in my school, in my school, and make teaching teaching and learning process for easy. We have also library and science lab. Our normal school timing is 8 to 2. Normally we have school assembly in the morning in my school, and school provide midday meal also.
PPT खाली घ्या वैशू स्लाइड
See, in my school, some festivals are celebrate.
Maybe cultural
in
program.
this
या
cultural
कल्चरल
programs. Yeah, culture.
गोपाळ
It's,
अष्टमी
Gopal?
Dahiyandi is
दहीहंडी गोपाल
Dahiyandi.
काला
Oh,
birthday of Sri Krishna, Lord Krishna. We are celebrating it very hugely, and it is very big festival for us, for Maharashtrians. And students
And-
are wearing say the dresses like Gopal Krishna, Lord Krishna and Radha. They are dancing like
girls,
them.
Radha
girls are
Krishna.
Radha and boys, yes.
Radha Krishna, yeah.
And here our headmaster Kailas Thakre is here, and 2 assistant teachers is also here. And then we are making Ganpati,
Eco-friendly.
in my
Ganpati.
eco-friendly Ganpati in my class. God Ganpati, do you know?
No. What is this?
Okay. We are
No,
making
I
Ganpati.
Ah.
Ganpati.
रुपए
Lord
तो दोनों
Ganpati.
करो.
Ganesh. Ganpati means
Ganesh.
Oh,
Ganesh. हाँ वैशु continue.
Oh, okay, continue, please.
And here are craft work. We are students are making some things, and you see Maharashtrian game dance lazim. Students are performs. This is a lazim. In their hand there has a lazim. Do you understand it? Lazim.
No, Rupa?
No.
This is a
No.
folk dance of Maharashtra. Lazim dance is.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, it is very famous.
means
We
this is
will.
the dance of Maharashtra, and it is traditional dance maybe.
Traditional dance. Okay.
Traditional cultural dance.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, I will share the video of this dance, lazim dance. Then you will get the proper meaning of that. How I should continue?
See here, students are cleanliness drive. They clear a school safely. Means they own clear school. And then here, some students participate in science exhibition, and they participate went another school and they explain it. Also, there we are taking many activities, many competitions in our school. In this way, we are taking maths Olympiad in our in my class in my school, and this is the elocution competition. Students present it, and see last year we are going last 2 years. Last 2 year, na? Kunda?
Hello. I am requesting you after 10 minutes it will be close this meeting. Then rejoin on same link, please.
Okay.
Okay.
See, our students' first aeroplane ride, and its credit goes to Kunda ma'am.
Wow.
She
This is
She planned-
our dream. This was our dream project. We with 40 students and 4 teachers, we went to in Mumbai and visit to Parliament by aeroplane. It is a dream trip of our students, and in Maharashtra, this is our first school of doing such a great project. This is an ideal project for other schools and teachers also. We made there our chief minister, our educational minister, and other officers at in parliament. We saw our parliament hours, and this was a great project of our students was feeling so excited and very happy. It is a dream thing for us.
Excellent.
That's a nice dream of yours, and I hope your school is a popular or very famous in your area.
Yeah. Because
So
our
that
students our
you are also very famous.
thank you so much, dear. Our students are belongs a poor family and coming from slum areas. So this is very hard to live a daily life for them. But still, we are seeing, giving them these dreams, and we are trying to complete that dreams. That is most effective thing for us.
Thank you,
Vaishu.
Kunda.
Yeah.
आता हे पढ़ा. This school, this part is my school's inner part. Means these are our classrooms.
Classrooms. Yeah.
Classrooms.
These some pics from pandemic. In pandemic, for a month, we restart our school in February. That time, this is a pic from that time. After some days, we have to close our school again, and so we are doing now work from home and taking online lectures for our students. Vaishu.
सांगतेस तू आता. In pandemic period,
these are some peaks of what we did in pandemic. Schools are closed, but our education was going on, and now still it is going on. Though our students don't have more mobile, then we went to their home and show our lectures, give them lectures on my laptop. Some students don't have books and exercise notebooks, so this is the peaks of that time. I gave them that exercise books to do in pandemic, because they have so much time in home, and for that the utilization of that their time is very necessary. So we are trying our best to give them quality education in pandemic. These are the some peaks of that time. पुढे घे वैशू. मागे घे.
Kunda, here,
Yes.
fourth picture. Maybe you are with Shari. Is it you?
Yeah. This is with my students.
Okay, back picture, please.
Thank you. Yeah, next picture.
Back picture. First.
Back.
Okay, this picture.
No, Shari.
Pandemic times study.
ये this is a pictures of from their village. These are their homes, and we reached them their homes to give them these exercise books, because they don't have mobiles for online learning. So I gave them the exercise, and on my laptop I use my laptop, and I also gave them some exercise book to their home. In this way, we are our students are in stream of education in pandemic.
Okay, nice, ma'am, nice. We have also done this in this pandemic season. We have some matching with you.
Yeah, it's a need of the day, because we have facing this pandemic. Still, our students have to in our educational flow. So all teachers are doing their best, and salute to the teachers. Yeah. Next, Vaishu. He is our educational officer. giving best luck to our aeroplane trip. This week is there from that time. Yes, next. Vaishu?
Some students.
Some
आता
students
simple.
have online their own smartphones, so we are providing them online education on their smartphones, and they are doing it. We are also taking daily online Google Meet or Zoom Meet live lectures, and because of them they are in touch of education and completing their education with they are taking the help of their parents also, and also they are teaching some new technology to their parents also. So this is a time of bonding with parents and teachers and our students. So I'm very thankful to COVID, because we are learning new things in technology. We are using technology better way for our future, and in future also, though COVID will be going, but still we are using technology for a better future. We can do it.
In this picture, students were drawing some pictures, and there are some Saksham Bharat. It's competition for Saksham Bharat.
Some NGOs are regularly comes in our school and doing so many projects with our teachers and students, and giving fund or so many educational things to our teachers, because our students are from a rural area and belongs to a poor family. So so many NGOs helps to our teachers for their education and better future. These are the pics of them.
Sampla, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, Vaishali.
Thank you.
Nice presentation.
Thank you
Excellent.
so much, Kunda.
Okay, sharing
Uh,
stop करते हैं.
Now our time is off.
Hope
Okay.
you like.
Huh.
Rupa is there or not? Rupa?
Maybe network problem.
Yeah. Hope you like our presentation, and got some
It is
about our
excellent
school.
presentation, and I realize your originally school pitch, classroom, cultural program, and historical place, and their excellent performance and education, travels,
Yeah.
tours, etc. So it is excellent picture, excellent presentation for knowing me. Thanks a lot, Sasek.
Thank you.
Thank you so
I
much.
think I
yes.
think there is no need to join again. We have finished our presentation or meeting. I think so.
Shivgish.
Huh?
At first, Vaishali, I mail you maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You both